Hello everyone, hope you are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my good name is Mollen and my content is all about cooking and lifestyle. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click that red button and join my team, okay? So guys, in today's video, as you have seen from the title of the video, I'm going to make minced meat stew. If you want to know how to make minced meat stew, this video is perfectly for you. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video until the end. And guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So guys, without further ado, allow me to get started. So guys, in my clean cooking pot, I'm going to put the minced meat, then some crushed ginger and garlic, and some salt, some little bit of salt, and a little water. I'm going to shallow boil my minced meat, not really boil, but shallow boil my minced meat. I like doing it this way before I start cooking it. Now the water has completely dried up, and now I'm going to add the onions and the cooking oil. I'm going to saute this for about 2 minutes until the onions are done. Once the onions are done, I'm going to add the tomatoes and the green bell pepper. I've grated them. You can also add the yellow and the red pepper. You can use whatever you have. So next I'm going to add the vegetables, and for this recipe I'm using potatoes, carrots and green peas. For the green peas I'm going to add them later. For the seasoning I'm going to add salt, royco curry and spice, and then tomato paste. You can use any spices of your choice according to what you normally use in your house. It's not a must you use what I am using. You can also add herbs. So I'm just going to let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. So here guys, I'm going to add my royco spice. I've mixed mine with water. And then now I'm going to add my fresh green peas. I had already boiled the green peas. And remember guys, I'm going to list down all the ingredients I've used in my description box down there. So lastly I'm going to add water, and then I'm going to cover it and let the vegetables to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. And finally, our minced meat is ready and it tastes so yummy. So yummy, guys. So guys, that is it. You can enjoy your stew, your minced meat stew, with some chapati, rice or spaghetti, or even mashed potatoes. For us, we are going to enjoy it with some white rice. Yeah, so that is it, guys. If you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and also comment down there and tell me what you think about this recipe. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in the next one. Bye bye.